Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. We just finished the install on the TUSK Fender Eliminator kit. This stuff all right here, gone bye-bye. You want to see what it looks like? What does it look like? What does it look like? Very nice, super clean, easy install. I got my little helper over here. What are you doing, Envy? You cleaning bikes? So check it out. Very inexpensive product as far as the cost to buy it. The quality is actually really quite good. If you caught my other video when we did the unboxing, you do have this metal plate right here. And then I wasn't quite sure what the plastic piece was for, but the plastic piece covers up all your wiring and keep mud and gunk from getting up inside there. So let's give you a look at the stock bike. I've got a bone stock IBEX 450 right here.
I cleaned it up.
What?
Cleaned it up.
You got it clean for the video? Very nice. So there's what it looks like from the factory. And it does a great job. I was gonna be a little sad when I got rid of the cool LED up here for the license plate, but let's check it out. So stock TUSK Fender Eliminator. What's your thoughts? 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Envy, what do we do?
Give us a like.
Give us some likes.
100.
100 likes.
Like right now.
Like right now?
Yeah.
Hey now. So install super easy. Anybody can do it. All you're gonna do, you gotta pop the seat, you gotta pull this stock stuff off, pull it apart, take the lights out, and bolt everything back together. Comes with everything you need to do it other than the tools. You know, you need a ratchet, and that's about it. It's super easy. I did take one little tip. I did take on my license plate wiring. You could either take and wrap it with some electrical tape or do some heat shrink on it. It just comes out of there with two wires, a red and a black wire. I didn't like the look. I thought I'd protect it a little bit better, and so I wrapped it up. Looks really good. This piece does come with it as well. This is all part of the kit. So again, bye-bye stock stuff, and hello TUSK Fender Eliminator kit. Get it now at bigpinesports.com.